The next thing that we are going to put in the game is the skylight. So if you type here skylight, we can see this normal skylight icon, and let's pull it in. And before we do anything else, let's go to source type and change it to specified cube map. And here Epic gave us one default HDRI Epic Quarter Daylight texture, so we can click on it. And now let's disable every other light here that is in our scene, so we can see what is happening, and the directional. And if we click here, we can see it's pretty subtle. Let's increase this. So you can see that this light basically projects this texture. So if you double click, we can see that it projects this texture in 360-degree view, essentially, and projects it onto our character. And this gives more realistic lighting over the character. Now here, we can also modify this image if you want. So it froze for a bit, so we should just drag this. Let's type 1.5 and change it. It takes a second. You know, we get it a bit of exposed. We can change also this. So you have all these different types of kind of effects that you can change, and it will be reflected in the image. So let's save it, and let's check out our scene. And now that sunlight will be a bit more affecting the characters. Let's put this to 5. And now we can see this lighting really works way harder than before. And we can combine this with all the other lights. So if you enable spotlight, rectangle, point light, enable our directional, we can see it can work with them and kind of fill some gaps if it is too dark or completely black at some spots. And we can decrease this, maybe 2 is fine, to just give us a bit of feel so we don't have some complete black spots. And this light won't give us the sky. That's another object that we will put in the scene. So this skylight only works with the lighting, but it doesn't actually give the graphics of the sky. That is the next thing that we'll add to our scene.